Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open the August 2020 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. So we're going to put the box aside, two separate subscriptions. We're going to open the bag. So the bag is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. So that's $1 a strand. And then also dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder August items through September 2020. They're $1 a strand, which is just wonderful. So let's take a look at the beads. Wow, these are gorgeous. Who doesn't love fire polish? I mean, they're just so beautiful. Okay, so let's pull in a little bit and we'll go through each color. So here are the 3mm. Topaz Vintage Silver. And that's really pretty. So topaz, warm color with a vintage silver coating, cool color. I love that combination, warm and cool. It's one of my favorites. Really pretty. Alabaster Sage Luster. And that's gorgeous. So of a white with a sage luster coating on it. That pretty green. Love. Fern Green Half Copper. And this is a beautiful fern green with the half copper on it. We have lots of half copper, half silver, half gold. Just beautiful. Just take your cue from the half copper for your seed bead. Copper seed bead with this, perfect for any jewelry piece. And then gold wash with rose luster. So this is anything pink and gold. I love the combo together. Really pretty. Kind of hard to see it if I put it against here. Yeah, that's pretty. So you see the gold. I don't know if you can see the gold in it. I see the gold and pink, so it's like a cool pink with gold. Love it. That's so pretty. Very, very soft. Love that. All right, so 4mm Alabaster White Forest Green Luster. So let me just check these out. I'm going to say that it's this one because alabaster is white, right? So, and then a forest green luster. So this looks sort of blue to me. So, I mean, I could be wrong on the one I'm picking, but I think this is it. So it's got a green luster, but it looks like a bluish bead. So if I'm wrong, I'll just kind of switch it. But this, whatever the name is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And then Alabaster White Vintage Brown. I'm going to say that it's this one. So it's a white with a brown luster on it. Gorgeous. And then we have Crystal Royal Ruby Luster. That's got to be this one. This looks like copper to me, but it's ruby, which is so. I have to cut these open. This is. I really want to look at this close. I know. Bear with me. I'm freeing them. I usually don't free the fire polish, but I just have to this time because maybe I'll be able to see the color better. It just is very coppery, even though it says ruby. So very beautiful, very beautiful. It still looks coppery to me, but it's just lovely. Really pretty. So you get, I don't know if I told you, there are 50 beads to a strand. So sorry about cutting that one open. And then Crystal Fern Green Luster. So this is, so I think I was right about that original one. But at any rate, this is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So here you go. There are our fire polish with 1 strand cut. So I'm going to put this back in the bag and then come back and we'll take a look at the box. So also don't forget, I have a coupon code for $2 off your first box bag. Anything on their website, Bronze2, I'll put it up there somewhere and in the description box below the video along with the link to the dollar bead box. All right, I'll be right back. Here's the box. So the box is as little as $18.50 a month for a 6-month subscription, and it's free shipping, and you can get it for 1 month. It's $19.50, but you have shipping. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video, again, along with that coupon code, so you can check it out and see what's right for you. There are, several different ways you can order this. So here, this is how it comes. I'm just going to put everything aside, and then let me just pop these over here. I'll leave the scissor out in case we want to freeze something. So we get our letter, and I'll just sort of, okay, this summer more than ever, I've been so appreciative of the escape that beading has offered, and I hope you are too. I am definitely just so happy that I've been creating all summer. It's really helped me. So they say they're slowly bringing some of their staff back to the warehouse. So for those of you who may have had an error in your order, they apologize. I'm so pleased that they were staying open and that they're shipping. So really totally understand if there's any issue. They're so good about, fixing any issue, and totally expected that during a pandemic there would be some issues. All right, so let's take a look at the strands. And I believe I freed a strand because I have seen it in the box. And as much as I try to do these videos in one take, I'm pretty hopeless when it comes to that. And I think the cat came in or something happened, my husband, something, so I had to free. So I had to redo. So I have seen these, but I'm very excited to present them to you. All right, so strands, 5mm check fire polish, turquoise, silver, travertine. That's this guy. I swear that looks like a 6mm to me. So here's a 6 and here's a 5. Well, maybe it is a little smaller. Okay, that's gorgeous. So it's turquoise, and then it's got that coating, that travertine coating on it. Really pretty. Okay. And then 6mm check fire polish, burgundy gray opaque. You get 25 pieces in that one. This is 20 pieces. I love this. Look at that. It's like it's a grayish, yeah, it's definitely a gray, and it's got that beautiful burgundy color with it. Oh, I'm thinking fall, aren't you? That's pretty. Let me move this out of the way. That is really pretty. And then 2.5 by 4mm check glass rondelle, matte jet dark green luster. That's this one. I opened it because it was, you couldn't really see the whole bead on the strand because it's so dark, but I love this. Love that dark green. Again, I'm thinking fall, and how about just this and this together in a bracelet or a necklace, or I love this combination right here. So really, really pretty. And you get 35 pieces, and then you have 4 by 6mm check glass flowers in Siam, 25 pieces. So there's that little flower bead. That pretty bright red. Wow, glows. Really pretty. Love those little flower beads. 25 pieces, and then 6mm check glass star in crystal AB. It's always nice to have these little stars. I love playing with these for the, for the holidays, for the winter. Really pretty, like in a tassel. Very cute. Nice to have these in the stash. And very cute 11mm check glass cat, black with gold wash, 10 pieces. You get 20 pieces on the stars. Look at that kitty. Little black cat with gold. Kind of reminds me of Haley just a bit because she's black. She's a tortie, so she's got a lot of black and brown and gold in her. So very cute. Love that. So let's go to the additional items. So we have check glass melon beads, and you get 10 pieces in sapphire. These are 5mm. So a little taste to add to your stringing, or to add to a ring or a pendant. Very pretty. I think we have more of these. We have lots of melon beads in many different colors, so that's nice. 6mm check glass rondelle in ruby opal, 10 pieces. So I like the color on this, the ruby opal. So it's a ruby color, and then it's got that milky opal color in with it as well. Very pretty. And then we have 8 to 12mm dyed bamboo coral in red. Oops, I left one of these in the bag. Let me grab that. There we go. So here is the dyed bamboo coral in red, 2 pieces. So we have a couple of other pieces. I think we have a focal piece and 2 bigger pieces. So this is really beautiful just to string with big chunky beads. Like you can put these in with it, or just black chunky 8mm fire polish beads, and then maybe some rondelles, and just do it as a chunky strung necklace. Love that. Okay, and then we have an opal rondelle, size varies, 1 piece. I'm going to say that it's this one. This looks like a rondelle, and it's an opal. I don't know. But it is sort of flattish like a rondelle, and it's the only thing I have one piece, and I absolutely love that color. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Stunning, and it's got a little, get the cat hair off of it. Little striations and marks in it. That's a beautiful little focal piece. Love that. Would be really pretty with a tassel coming out of the bottom. Put a little rondelle there. And then we have 17 by 20 millimeter check glass sugar skulls. We have 2 of these. I love these. We have lots of these. These are so much fun. Cute. Bezel them, make earrings out of them. Love the pink and the green together. Adorable. And then we have 9 by 17 millimeter check glass carrier beads. Where are they? Where are you guys? Here you are. So these are carrier beads. So these are the beads that, where am I? Here we are. Matte bronze, 2 pieces. So they're 9 by 17 millimeter. So these are the ones that you would take a peyote piece. Oh, here we go. Here's my little, sort of a peyote piece, and you make these little, and you wrap them around these beads. I haven't done it. I have a ton of carrier beads. I have them in plastic, and I have them in check glass, and I have never used them. Probably should use them. Do you have carrier beads? Do you want to make a necklace out of them or a bracelet? I don't know. Maybe. You know, I have to use them eventually, right? All right. So we have 26 millimeter round brass stamping. We should pull on a little bit. Okay. And that's this guy. So it's a pretty gold stamping. And these are great for, you know, you can put a little glue a crystal here, flat back, and then any of these holes can be used to dangle drops or anything, beads, tassels, anything you like. You can also, if you don't, I love the gold, but if you want to change that, you can antique this, or you can actually just take some paint and just rub it on, and then take a cloth and wipe it off, and it gives it that sort of antique look. So if you don't want to use the chemicals, you can just do that with, I think, with acrylic paint. I have done that before. Okay, and then we have Preciosa Rondelle, 8 millimeters. You get 2 of them, so it's black. I love these. These are black crystal AB. I absolutely love these. These little rondelles are so perfect for making necklaces, and I think if you did this and this, look how pretty that is, and did a black or a gunmetal chain with little beads on the bottom, you know, a tassel, how cool would that be to make that a tassel? I love it. Really pretty. So this I think is made for that opal rondelle. Okay. Let's see. 12 millimeter check glass square. Matte Peridot Rainbow Iris, 2 pieces. That's my birthstone. So any other August babies here? So I love these. These are really pretty. I think I have some of these possibly in Swarovski, and one day we should really make a ring out of it. Wouldn't that be pretty just with a peyote band? I know it's been done a million times before, but I haven't done it, so maybe we should make a little peyote ring out of it. That would be pretty. Nothing new, but something, why not? Okay, where are we? 7 by 15 millimeter check glass drop, ocean green. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in this box. So here, look at that gorgeous ocean green color. And that's a really interesting drop. It's kind of flat on the sides and then comes sort of round at the end. So it's not faceted, it's got flat edges. It's very pretty, and it's briolet style, so going this way. So why couldn't we do that on our... So you can actually do sort of like this, you know, with use either a chain or beads and make a little pendant out of it. That would be cool. And then put something in the middle. I mean, I don't know if that goes, but do you know what I mean? I've just sort of give you an idea of things that you can do with these if you're looking for something. So you can just put make a ring, you know, a wrapped loop or something, and just put it on, you know, hang it on one of the openings. All right, I I digress, so let's go on. Then we have 14mm check glass, laser etched 2-hole coin beads, jet metallic aqua, 2 pieces. I love their etched beads. I think they're just like instant jewelry. These are 2 holes. So this is instantly beautiful. You know, all you have to do is put it on a, I would just put this on an ear wire. It's got 2 holes, so you can play with that a little bit. Love it. I just think these are so pretty. And then we have 12 to 16mm dyed bamboo coral and turquoise. So another dyed bamboo piece, and it's dyed turquoise. And again, a big focal bead. For you, one day you're going to be saying, gee, I need a focal bead and I need it in turquoise, and there's going to be sitting there waiting for you. That happens to me all the time. And then we have a bonus. 30 grams, wow, this is a big box. 30 grams of check glass bead mix, multicolor pearlized. So look at these. These are beautiful. So you got some drops, you have some sort of different odd shapes, sort of diamond shapes. Look at these colors, and look how great, oh, I was going to say look how great it looks with the bead bag, which I'm going to pull out. Hold on. Oh. So I kind of spilled my beads a little bit, but that's okay. So look how great the items from the bead bag look with these beautiful. So if you get both, then that's an awesome combination. So that's everything. And here, let me pull the strand I took off. Love it. Over. Okay, so here's the dollar bead bag, 1 subscription, dollar bead box, another subscription. Really, really beautiful beads and very affordable. So take a look in the description box below the video for the code, for a link to the website. See if it's right for you. Check it out. Love their website. It's so much fun to navigate. They have the coolest, like, different beads. You know, they're so different. And you should always check out their website because they always have specials and deals and new stuff coming in. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.